Children are great imitators. They do not learn what you teach them, they imitate you, so watch your actions. Teach them to be truthful. It is not what you leave for your children, but it is what you leave in your children. Teach humility to your kids. Develop a culture of thanks and giving. Visit old homes, orphanages, so the child understands how blessed and privileged he is and that he needs to help others. Don't limit a child to your own learning, for he was born in another time. Raise your child in accordance with their time. Children must be taught how to think, not what to think. Each day of our lives, we make deposits in the memory banks of our children.